The time when the paper came in our hand, we were neither nervous nor tensed. Lead has benefited us in many ways. The mock test, ASMs, and the papers which they were conducting of higher level benefited a lot to the students for appearing in the exam, and they built their confidence. I myself, Shaksee and Kumar Patel, student of class 11 science from Mother Care English Medium School. I was first ranker of my school in 10th standard and second ranker of Nadiad. 10th is not just about the studies and answering the paper, but it is about how you approach the paper. And we were very lucky in that case because our school implemented LEAD program a year back. LEAD school helps in clearing concepts of every subject. For example, chapter of science was very lengthy and somewhat hard to understand. When we studied it through the animated video provided by LEAD, it was very easy for us to understand. So when the question related to that came in exam, which was complex, we were easily able to answer them. Usually when you study throughout the day, you have doubts. But LEAD Student app had provided us such a benefit that we can ask a doubt anytime we want, and the solution of that questions was given instantly to us. In this entire year, my mom was very nervous because it's 10th, but LEAD arranged a counseling session for parents which made her relaxed. My dream is to become psychologist, and LEAD platform had made me so confident that whenever I will appear in any of the competitive exam, I know that I will do my best.